A problem like this is only really possible to figure out if you are familiar with and have memorized the unit circle. So hopefully you're at that point. If not, you can see I've put in an image of it, of quadrant 1 of the unit circle, into this video here. The other thing to remember is when we're talking about the sine ratio, that represents the y-coordinate of a point over the radius of the circle. But of course, in a unit circle, the radius is just 1. So essentially, when we see sine of x here as root 2 over 2, we're being told the y-coordinate of the point is root 2 over 2. And we can see that occurs at the 45-degree angle. Right there, you can see we've got root 2 over 2 as the y-coordinate. The nice thing about the 45-degree triangle, which, by the way, the other giveaway here is that it tells us it's a right triangle, which means that the x and y coordinates will be equal or the same. Anyway, for part A of the question, what is cos of x? Well, the nice thing about at the 45-degree angle, cos and sine are equal. You can see that yourself, that the x and y coordinates of that point are both root 2 over 2. So cos of x is going to equal root 2 over 2. Part B, what is x? Well, we already were talking about that. We know that x is going to be 45 degrees. And finally, what is the angle complementary to x? Well, to answer that, you need to remember that complementary angles add up to 90 degrees. So we need to think 45 degrees plus what equals 90? Well, that's pretty simple. That would just be also 45 degrees. 45 plus 45 makes 90. All right, that's all for this problem. Hope it was helpful, and thanks for choosing JD's Prep.